Now this one still has the title. Now before, the way that we removed this was by going to the block's configuration page and removing it there. But we're about to run into a bit of a bug, which is that if we go to the block's configuration page now and change it, we won't see it change here. And I'll explain why in a second, but let's see that in action. So I'm going to click the cogwheel and click Configure Block. And for the block title, we'll put None inside of the brackets. I'm going to scroll down and click Save Block. Now the idea here is that the block's configuration page is theme-based. So we display blocks in certain areas based on the particular theme that we're using. If we scroll up and go to Structure and Blocks, you see the tabs up here that allow us to select between Bartik and 7. Now there aren't different contexts for different themes. You can set a context to work in a particular theme, but by default it's not tied with a particular theme. So because context is theme neutral, it technically shouldn't be using any of the settings in the block's configuration page in order to configure the display of the block. So normally in context you wouldn't be able to hide the title of the block. It just so happens though that if we enable the block in our block's configuration page, then hide the title, then disable it and re-enable it in context, that the title will disappear. So to do this sustainably, so we don't have to go through that process, we can either 1, use panels to display the blocks, which isn't always going to be an option, but it does give us the ability to hide the block title, or we can change the title of the block on our view's configuration page. So let's go ahead and take that approach this time.